a block off of Fredericksburg's bustling Main Street, is one of the Hill Country's most popular restaurants. A simple spot with a simple name, Otto's. This cute little gym pays homage to the area's German roots. With a modern mix of fun and farm-fresh flavors. Its owners are married millennials, college grads who gave up big city careers for a simpler small-town life. Call it a family affair. You guys actually met in Fredericksburg, and Evelyn, this is where you're from.
Yes, I grew up here. It's kind of fun to see everything evolve and transform throughout the years.
And then John came, you guys met up, and now, voila.
Here we are.
Two babies, three restaurants, or no,
Three babies.
Mommy brain.
It'll do that. Yeah. With a sense of humor intact, these folks are serious about their food. John and executive chef Adam Yoho are close friends who collaborate on every single dish.
Every day's a roller coaster.
He knows more about me than most people should ever know about anyone. I know more about him, and
we spend more time with each other than with our family.
So you better get along, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
That friendship inspired their famous Flammkuchen,
And it's definitely meant to be shared.
a savory Alsace flatbread.
Our go-to always is the Flammkuchen.
With house-made creme fraiche, caramelized onions, rich Cambozola cheese, and crispy bacon bits, it's delicious.
I'm sure it was a Frenchman decided that let's put some cheese, some bacon, throw it in there, and we'll have a little snack.
Let's
so
make it really good.
The Flammkuchen was born. Otto's Flammkuchen.
It's so good.
So we've done dessert Flammkuchens. We've done all sorts of fun stuff.
I can't talk, I just want to eat.
Please dig in.
After the Flammkuchen comes the 14-ounce South Texas raised Wagyu ribeye. Sizzling and drenched in butter. Fresh fish is flown in and always on the menu.
These microgreens are grown here in Fredericksburg in a aquaponics farm.
Lots of farm fresh choices at Otto's, but it's the German-inspired creations that are most popular with regulars, like duck schnitzel, plated on a pillow of creamy spätzle and sweet tart red cabbage. Love the contrast in color.
Yeah, really good contrast in color.
Topped with brandy-soaked cherries and little duck cracklins. Tonight's special, locally sourced lamb from a farm just up the road.
It's gonna help caramelize the outside of the meat. Get a nice little glaze on it with the butter.
Cooked to perfection, it's straddled with house-made butternut squash, beets, and sautéed kale. Also popular is the worst plate.
We always have a Wurst on the menu. We grind, season, and stuff our own sausages here in-house. Our sauerkraut, our pickles, our mustard, everything we make here in-house.
With the focus on a few great dishes, Otto's easily attracts tourists. But on any given night, most of the guests are locals.
They're open till late, till 10. And a lot of times we don't get out to eat till around 9 or 9:30, and this is the perfect place to go, and it's wonderful.
You guys are open all the time, right?
Yeah, 7 days a week. So really, I want to provide some sort of consistency. So, especially staying open late, we stay open until 11 every night.
So much for the slower pace that comes with a small town. Coming up with incredible food seems to keep these guys on their toes.
I would say we still challenge each other, which is a nice part of our friendship and relationship, because we don't want to, rest on our laurels or be complacent with what we're doing. And you can't do it by yourself.
It's working. And with family and friends working together in a job they love, you know the food is going to be fabulous. The food is fantastic at Otto's, and that's why you'll find so many locals there. Up next, here's a question. What is real, authentic Tex-Mex? Is it all about the chili gravy, the cheesy enchiladas, or sizzling fajitas? Find out where real Tex-Mex actually got its start. Some awesome Mexican food heading your way. And my favorite wine picks of the week when we come back. Good Taste with Tanji is brought to you in part by H-E-B.